Hello! To set up custom keyboard theme on Redmi Note 14, first of all we have to go into the settings. From here we have to scroll all the way down and go into additional settings. Next we go into languages and input, manage keyboards, and we have to select the keyboard which we are currently using, and in my case is the Gboard. And here we have theme. So we go in here, and here is this plus icon to make your own theme. So we press it, and as you can see you have to select any picture from your phone which you want to use for your keyboard. I will use this picture of this like triangular stone, and it's really nice. So you can pinch this image, you can drag it, you can simply just adjust the picture for your keyboard and press next. Right here you can adjust the brightness of the picture. As you can see, you can set it to the really dark, and you can set it to really bright, and you can also, let's press done, and you can also enable or disable the keyboarders, as you can see. And yeah, basically that's how to do it. Now you press apply, and as you can see we have the custom keyboard enabled right now. And yeah, basically that's how to do it. Let me show you this keyboard real quick. As you can see, here's our custom keyboard, and yeah, basically that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.